Hello, this is a video where I'm going to replace this shower head. You can see it's cracking. Okay, so this is a very old. It's about 17 years. So I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, I bought it at Home Depot for about $27. It is quite easy to take this out, especially having been cracked. And so all you do is, if yours is not cracked, but you want to replace it by a better one, a good one. So you have, all of them are different. Then you have to look to see how it's done. So this one you can see is swiveled. Some of them you have to turn them, okay, to unscrew them. But this one here, it's swivel head, and you just move it and look at that. So that's how it is. And if you were to buy one that is like this, then you just push it in. Okay, it's very easy. So now this one here, the bowl, I don't know the name of this one here, the adapter, it's part of this. So I have to take this one out because it will not fit on the new one, because these are just one piece. Okay, so to take this one out, the adapter, I use a pair of pliers, grip. There's a better name, but that's what I'm using. And then it put a big bite on it, and so we just have to turn it around until it comes loose, and you do it. You finish it yeah, by hand. You just take the grip out. All right, now look at the difference, and that's the new one. You see, there's a big difference. That's okay. Very important to prevent leak. I place this the tape around it, because the shower head come with it, and that's the rest. Also the tape here, okay, and tape also here, and then these are the showers. Not showers. Okay, and I'll put these in here, and yeah, just to prevent leak as well. Okay, so now I'm going to install this. That's the main part. Put the washer inside, and then there we go. Okay, so you see I already used the tape, and no tools are required because this is plastic, okay? You do it by hand and very smoothly, so you won't be crooked. Just do this. All right, see it's going in. Very good. Let me pause. Okay, so see it is okay. No, now it gets tightened up and it cannot move anymore. So you'll have the liberty to turn this the way you want. See, it's a swivel. I just found out. So if you want the shower head like this, or you want it up, but again, this gets tightened up, and that's the only way you turn it. So like that. I just completed this one. I just did this end, and this other end will be on the line, the water line. Okay, last shower. Put that in there. See, well seated. And let's go. That's it. It goes in here, and we do this. slowly. So, like I said, you have to hand tight because they are plastic. And it looks like that's the tightest you can get. You can get any more tighter than this. All right, mission accomplished. I'm talking loudly because the shower is on. Yes, let's check for leaks. No leaks. You see, no leaks. So everything's fine. The only place this thing is leaking is where it's supposed to leak at. That's a good leak. Okay, good leak. So very good, very good. All right, my friends. Thanks for watching. Oh, let me show you. Speed. Ah, look at that. That's smooth. That's to rinse your hair. I don't know what this mode is for. And that's another one. I said, so it has 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough. Thanks for watching.